having a good day. I wanted today to make a video about how to access Carrollton Farmers Branch resources. This is specifically for CFBISD students. If you're not a CFBISD student, you will not be able to access a lot of these. What we are going to do today is I'm going to show you how to log in using a tablet or a computer. I know a lot of you have been having trouble, so I'm going to actually show you hands-on how to do it. I was trying to do it and I also had some trouble, so I understand that there's been a lot of difficulty. So what you're going to need is any kind of computer or any kind of tablet, and you're going to need your student ID number for the username and your password. If you don't have your password, you need to ask your teacher for it. She will probably have it, and if she does not have it, she or he does not have it, she can tell you how to reset it, okay? So let's get started. So I'm going to first show you how to do it on the computer. I was having a lot of trouble with this myself. I noticed that if I tried to use Google Chrome, it did not work. So I would use Safari or Internet Explorer. And you will need Flash. So if you don't have Flash, it's going to ask you to download Flash. Now, I'm going to click Safari, and I'm going to go to CFBISD.edu. Now, when I get there, I'm going to go to Schools, then Elementary Schools, and I'm going to click Central because that's where I go. That's where most of my students go. But if you go to a different school, then you need to click your school. I'm going to go down to Digital Resources for Students right here, and I'm going to click this. Anything on here is fabulous for you to use. So don't feel like you just need to stick to one or two. Explore all of them, okay? But today we're going to talk about ST Math, that's Gigi, and so you're going to see this little penguin right here, and you are going to click the penguin. Now it's going to show Clever, and it will ask you to log in. That's where you're going to put in your student ID number and your password. If you see this little black screen, that means that you are missing Flash and you need to download Flash. It unfortunately will not work if you do not have Flash. But from there, you should be able to access it easy, okay? You can also get to Seesaw from there. So let's go back to where we were. Schools, Elementary Schools, Central, Digital Resources. Go down to Seesaw, log in, and ta-da! It will show you all of your work here, okay? And you can add your work, you can record your work, you can send us drawings. Please, please, please use Seesaw to show us the work that you're doing at home, because I know all of you are still working so hard. But you can take a photo, you can draw, you can do notes, you can upload a picture that you've already done, but that is how you access those two things. There are lots of other great resources though on here. Let me go back. You can use any of these things. RazKids is for reading. You can practice reading. You can do River Deep. That's good for math. You can do Hour of Code. Those are some fun games to practice coding. Brain Pop. That has a lot of fun. Oops, so look, you have to go back to Clever. Some difficulty here. And scroll down and you can click Brain Pop through here if it pops up, okay? Now, Brain Pop has a lot of science and social studies stuff, so that'll be great for that. Now, let's talk about how to do it from the tablet. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and you are going to look up Clever. You will need Clever to access ST Math, Brain Pop, Seesaw. If you want to use some other things like River Deep or RazKids, I don't think you need the Clever app. You can just go to the digital resources online, just like we did for the computer. But for things like ST Math and Seesaw, you will need to get the Clever app. So let's just wait for that to download. When you get to Clever, you're gonna click Login with username and password. Let's type in our school's name. So For me, it is Central Elementary, Carrollton Farmers Branch. You're going to click log in, and that is going to be where you put your username and password. So let me get that started. Okay, so I entered my username and password, so now I'm going to log in. And boom, that is where you find ST Math and Seesaw. If you click ST Math, it will take you here. And what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna click download on the App Store. You need to download it. It's free, you guys. You don't have to pay for any of this. And while that's downloading, you can actually go back to the Safari. Click back. And while that's downloading, you can actually go back to Clever. And to log in, let me log in again. And you can click Seesaw. And from there, it'll get you right onto Seesaw. You don't even have to download the app for that one if you don't want to. But for Seesaw and ST Math, you will always have to go through the Clever app, okay? You can't just go in through the ST Math app. You always have to go in through Clever. So let's see if it's done loading. Guys, ST Math finally loaded, so let me show you how to get on there. So you are going to have to go through the Clever app, click it, log in, click that. You're going to need to do your username and your password. It will take you here. Now that you've downloaded the app, you should just be able to click Gigi, the little penguin. And now it should pop up. You're gonna click open. And it's loading. And we're in, okay. So this should be easy for you guys. And you can just start off where you left off. I hope this works for you. I hope this helps. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Reach out to me through email, comment on here, me or Miss Redding. I will help you. We want to make sure you're learning. If you're confused by any of this, please let us know. I hope this really works for you guys. I know it can be a little complicated, but after you do it one time, it should be really easy. So good luck and happy learning. Remember to follow me on Facebook so you don't miss any videos. Remember to subscribe. You can also check me out on Twitter. And please, please, please reach out if you need help with anything. Okay, love you guys. Bye.